What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on status here. Currently up about 5% in USD value, sitting at 8 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, up about 6.5% for the day, sitting at 1,300 Satoshis. But really quick, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 271 billion. Today's volume is 15 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 42%. Not much has changed for BTC. Looks like we're still kind of consolidating, down about almost 1%. Ethereum down 0.5%. Sitting at 474, Ripple down almost 3, sitting at 48 cents. Bitcoin Cash down about 4.5, sitting at 753. EOS down 3, sitting slightly below $9. Litecoin almost down 4, sitting slightly below $85. Big winners today: Gas up about 10, Vertasium up 9, Neo up 7, Cortex up 6, Status up almost 5. Big losers: Ethos down 23. Wow, Syscoin down 21. Tesla's down 16, and Kyber Network down almost 15. But you folks came here for some status. Market cap is sitting at 301 million. Today's volume is 32 million. Circulating supply, folks, 3.4 billion. Total supply 6.8 billion. Major exchanges here: Upbit, Binance, OKEX, Huobi, Bittrex, Gate.io, and Liqui and HitBTC looks like are the major exchanges. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily, folks. Currently, we did touch our first targets at 6,700. So what I'm expecting here is just kind of a little bit of consolidation. Expecting some consolidation for a couple of days before we make our next leg towards the upside or the downside. What I'm waiting for on 4 hour, however, is a break and close above 6,600. If we break and close above 6,650 on the 4 hour, expecting our next leg towards the upside up towards about 7,500. However, if we break below 6,500, I expect to push towards the downside around 6,000. But remember, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Ethereum to USD on the daily, nice little descending wedge we got going on here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We did break out of our wedge, came back down to test it for support. However, the candle wasn't strong enough for me, folks, so I'm not going to take an entry just yet. What I'm waiting for is for that daily close above 477. Once we break and close above 477 on the daily, Ethereum should be good to go. However, if we break below 455, expect Ethereum to come back down to about 400. Switching over to Litecoin to USD, nice little descending wedge we got going on as well. Also expecting some consolidation, not going to be taking another buy until we break and close above $85. Once we break and close above $85 on the daily, Litecoin should be good to go. But as you can tell, we kind of, starting to show some exhaustion. So expect Litecoin to come down to about $80 to $75. If not, wait for the bounce around $75 to $80. If not, just wait for that daily close above $85, folks. I'm tired today, sorry. I haven't been getting too much sleep. But you folks came here for some status to network. For the status network token, status for short, status to BTC on the daily. We had the nice little descending wedge we were in, broke out of that. Major resistance here at about 18,000 Satoshis. Since then, we've kind of been in a nice little, I wouldn't say it's parallel because it's really not, but we got a channel going on there. And as of now, today, July 5th, price did hit major resistance here at about 14, just slightly below 14,000 or 1,400 Satoshi, sorry. So what I'm expecting here from status is a small little correction. Let's actually shift over to the 4 hour really quick. As you can tell, momentum starting to peak out. We did just touch major resistance. So I am expecting a little bit of retracement. We do have a nice little solid uptrend going, as you can see on the 4 hour. Broke out here. So what I'm expecting is either consolidating at this price or we're actually going to be dropping down. Probably down to about 1,200 Satoshis again, and then heading towards the upside. But I have my limit set here, so I'm waiting for that 4 hour close above 1350. Once we break and close above 1350 on the 4 hour, status should be good to go. If we do not close above 1350, wait for the drop to about 1,200 Satoshis. Once we get that drop to about 1,200, then is a good time to buy. Let me go ahead and delete that. Switch over to the weekly. we're looking at the bigger picture, folks, it looks like status is actually just now starting its uptrend. Bottom one, bottom two. The 4 hour is the time frame I'm using as my trigger time frame to get me that entry. So wait for that 4 hour break and close above 1350. Once we break and close above 1350 on the 4 hour, status should be good to go. First target for status, folks, in 2018 is about 4,500 Satoshis. Don't expect that to be hit until late 2018. Second target, 7,500. Don't expect that to be hit until early 2019. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.